Hey you guys, it's Shirley and welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. So technically it is going to be week 5 in the weekly check-in. The reason why we didn't do a check-in last week is because my fiance's family needed me more than pretty much YouTube needed me. So I am just coming on here and I wanted to do a weekly check-in. We are going to skip, we're not going to fill in last week. I think I said I was going to, but I lost a piece of paper of how much I spent. So we're just going to skip that week altogether and we are going to go from the 20th all the way to the 26th. Now before we get started, make sure you go and subscribe down below because it helps with the algorithm, and be sure to like and comment how you are doing this week. But anyway, so let's just get right into it because this is going to be a super fast video, and because I did really good this week. Well, I feel like I did really good this week, but I pretty much always have at least 4 no spins technically in a week, but you know what, it is fine. So first off, we are going to be doing the no spins. If I can find, I had no spins. Yeah, here they are. All right, so the no spins are the 20th, the 24th, the 25th, and also the 26th, but I ran out. I have to find my little binder that has all of my extra stickers, which I have a lot of stickers, you guys. Like, look, so this is just a photo album and I have so many stickers from Tempest XOXO because she is amazing and I pretty much never run out half the time. But we're just going to get another no spin out. And then we are going to mark the 26th as a no spin also. All right, so let's go on to the 21st. Now, 21st, I did use my cushion, which is my debit card if you are new. And we bought some stuff off of Amazon, which was $30. So we're going to put Amazon $30 under Friday the 21st. And that is essentially, that is it, you guys. I was working super late that day. And we just, you know, we was bored at work. So I spent that much money. Note to self, if you're bored, do not go on Amazon. All right, on the 22nd, we went grocery shopping. So groceries was $40. And then we got some gas, which was $10. And then we went out to eat and had some wings, which I used my fun money for that. And that was $11. So I think I got like a 5-piece wing. And then I did leave a tip. So that was $11 total. And that is all for the 22nd. Now the 23rd, I did go to JCPenney's. Now my JCPenney's near me, which is only like 10 minutes away or less, they're actually closing down, and the next closest JCPenney's we have is roughly about maybe 30 to 40 minutes, which isn't bad, but I don't go to JCPenney's all the time, so it's not like a lose situation for me. But their items are, I think, 50% off to 70% off. So I did get some curtains because we need some curtains in our new home. And I got them for $12. They're originally like, I think either $40 or $60. I can't remember. But I got them for $12 and they're 99 or 100% blackout, which I want my room to be super dark so I can go to sleep. It makes me feel better. I can sleep through the night and everything, and I won't be tossing and turning, which is incredible. And then for the rest of the week, there was a no spin because I'm not off until Thursday, which is today when you're watching this. So I was working 12s. I was on call. I worked till 3, and then all I wanted to do was go home. So we had 3 no spins, and then on the 23rd we had JCPenney's for $12. And then a review for the first half of the week was a no spin on the 20th, Amazon on the 21st for $30, and then Walmart for $40 for groceries. Gas was $10, and then wings was $11. So we are just going to go right here, and I know it says week 4, but essentially it is week 5. So groceries, we spent $40, so we should have $60 left. Gas, we spent $10, so we should have $50 left. Fun money, we spent $12 and $11, makes $21, $22. Is that right? I think that's right. No, $23. Yeah, $23. So I should have $17 left. Cushion, we spent $30, so we should have $110. Sinking funds, we did not spend anything, so we still have $1,198. And when you're watching this, I will have spent stuff on sinking funds already, because there is a deal at JCPenney's, because you know it's going out of business. The one of the groomsmen gift that Jared wants is 70% off, and I'm only going to be paying $25. So that's actually an incredible deal, because I think I budgeted like $400 for it, so I'll be roughly paying only $150 or something like that. So that's actually a really good deal, and then we could just knock that off of our list. So that is the plan. All right, so I'm going to get my cash envelope from the Dave Ramsey. So this is off the Dave Ramsey website. I got it for $10. They're originally $20, so but you can catch it sometimes when they are $10. And it is rough, people. It is really, really, really rough. All right, so for groceries, we are going to see if we have $60 left, $2.40 and $60. Gas is going to be $50 left, $20, $40, $50. And then fun money, we should have $17. So 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, and 17. All right, you guys, and that is about it. Now, the next time that you do see me, it will be on Saturday for Subscriber Saturday, and the voting is so close. Now, if you have not voted, please go to the community tab, and I think it's either going to be the 3rd or the 4th post, and go and vote, because your vote does count towards what video I am going to be doing. Now, if the voting is so close, we're going to do one video, and then essentially the second runner-up for the video we will do that in 2 weeks. So vote if you have not voted, because I would love to hear your voice and your opinion on what we should do for Subscriber Saturday. And let me know how y'all are doing on y'all's weekly check-in. I think I'm doing pretty good. And let me know if you ever want to do like a closing out of the month or something. That can be like a Subscriber Saturday. Anything you would like to see, let me know down below. And be sure to subscribe and hit that notification, because every time I upload, you will get notified, so you will not miss or wait until, you know, at the end of the day. You want to be the first to watch these videos, and I'm super excited that y'all are coming on this journey with me. But anyways, I love you guys, and I will see you guys on Saturday. Bye.